Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session, you will learn to write a program, check with the number, prime number or not. In this demonstration, we are taking an integer that number is prime number or not. To write this program, we have used here Python if-else statement, Python for loop and break and continue. Here a positive integer greater than 1 which has no other factors except 1 and the number itself is called prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7 etc. are prime numbers as they don't have any other factors. But 6 is not prime, it is composite since 2 into 3 equal to 6. In this program, variable number is checked if it is prime or not. Numbers less than or equal to 1 are not prime numbers, hence we only proceed with the number is greater than 1. Let's see for the example of the program which is over here. Let's check the number which is taken, it's a 407. If you want to check with the irrespective of the constant number, you comment out this line and uncomment this here, input as user inputs, uncomment this and run it and check it. After completion of the program, you can write a PyCharm by using PyCharm IDE and execute it. Now let's see step by step intermediate steps how the flow of the control of the flow will going on this logic. See here, we are taking as if num greater than 1, then only it will start the loop. The condition is satisfied, then it will goes. If it is below the 1, if it is not greater than below the 1, then it's straight away it will goes to the else statement. It is not a prime number, it will print the result set. That is the part. And if it is greater than 1 number, if we have chosen here it's a 407 anyhow, check for the factors of that particular number. Hence now start the for loop for I in range of 2 comma number. If number percentile I close equal to 0, if while entering into the for, if this is the condition, if it is satisfied, number of percentile I equals to 0, then print that particular number is not a prime number. For loop will starts and run the iterations. Once the iteration, that if condition is satisfied, it will enter into this is the block. What we have given a number is 407 is satisfied. Assume that print number is not a prime number. Print I, the iterations, how many iterations are occurred, the times, and the number, which number by I is number, in the sense number it's in a 407, and break the loop of the condition should break the satisfied statements is came here to print out, hence the statement is break. If it is not satisfied, if condition, if it is not satisfied, it will comes to the else part and the number is print the prime. Let's check with the run and see what will have an output. The iterations are done. Let's see here the output 407 is not a prime number. See, in explanation I'll give you the details. Clearly observe it. The number is assigned in 407. The iterations which have done over here, the 407 it's showing here. The message which is printed, the 407 is not a prime number. And 11 times 37 is 407. The I in the sense the iterations of 11 iterations have done times, and the number by I in the sense the times that iterations the number is happened it 11, that 407 by 11 it comes in 37 is 407. That 407 is not a prime number, it's showing that. Please try to elaborate this program with the logic. You try to comment this line and uncomment here and give above 1 and check it. What are the prime numbers? What are the not a prime numbers? You will easily identify with this dynamic programming code. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more updates. Like, share and comment, and communicate with us by commenting your clarifications or any doubts regarding Python language. Thank you.